Hey everyone, and welcome. So, you're ready to hit the dance floor at Salsa Madras, but maybe you're wondering, how do I actually book a class? Well, you've come to the right place. I'm going to walk you through the super simple steps to get you signed up and ready for your first class. Let's get right into it. You can feel it, right? The energy, the music, the fun of it all, it's all just waiting for you. And honestly, the only thing standing between you and that awesome experience is a really quick and easy booking process. So let's break down exactly how it works so you can get moving. Okay, before we even touch the website or the app, there's one big idea you need to remember. I like to call it the booking golden rule. Once you get this, everything else just clicks into place. It's a simple 3 step path that you'll follow every single time. That's it. It's always in this order. First, you find the class you're excited about. Second, you make sure you have an active price plan, like a single class pass or a pack of classes. And third, you use that plan to officially book your spot. Choose, plan, book. See? Simple. Now, if there's one thing you take away from all this, let it be this right here. An active price plan is absolutely mandatory. Just think of your price plan like it's your ticket to a concert. You can't just show up and walk in, right? You need the ticket first. Same deal here. Getting this right is the secret to a totally smooth booking. All right, let's dive into the first way you can book your class using the Salsa Madras website. This is a great option, especially if you're on a desktop or a laptop and you want to see the whole schedule on a nice big screen. First things first, you're going to head over to the website and browse the schedule. Find that class that just calls to you. Next, you'll either log in or create a new account. And here's a pro tip: please double check that your email and phone number are correct. That's how you'll get your booking confirmation, so you don't want to miss it. Once you're in, just pop over to the price plan section and grab the pass that works for you. And this is a really important point from the studio. You absolutely have to book your spot in advance. They don't accept walk ins. And this isn't to make things difficult, it's actually to make sure there's enough space for everyone and that the class is a great experience. So think of this rule as your best friend. It guarantees your spot is saved just for you. Okay, so you've got your plan active in your account, the hard part's over. Now you just go back to the schedule, click on that class you wanted, and hit the Book Now button. The system automatically uses your plan to lock in your spot, and boom, you'll get an instant confirmation on the screen, and an email will land in your inbox. Just like that, you're all set. Now, what if you're not near a computer? No problem at all. Let's talk about path number 2, which is perfect for booking on the fly: the app. If you're managing your life from your phone, this little guy is going to be your best friend. And you know what the best part is? You don't have to choose between the website and the app. They work together perfectly. Your login is the same for both, and any price plan you buy on one automatically shows up on the other. It's all one connected system, totally designed to make your life easier. So to get started, just head to your app store and download the official app. Now listen up, because this is super important. When you log in, use the exact same email address you used on the website. That's the magic trick that syncs up your entire account and all your plans. From there, it's as easy as tapping schedule and finding your class. And hey, look at that golden rule in action again. If you try to book without a plan, the app will gently remind you to get one. Once it's active, you just tap book, confirm, and you're done. Your class will pop right up in the My Booking section, so you've got instant proof of your reservation right there in your pocket. Woohoo! You did it! You navigated the system, your spot is reserved. So, now what? What actually happens on the day of your class? Let's walk through it so you feel totally ready and confident when you arrive. First off, let's talk about that confirmation. Whether it's the email you get or the class showing up in your app, that is your official proof. It's that little piece of digital peace of mind that says, yep, we're expecting you and your spot is 100% secure. And honestly, the arrival could not be easier. You don't need to print anything. You don't need to find a QR code. Nothing like that. Just show up a few minutes before class starts, walk up to the front desk, and tell them your name. They'll have you on the list, and you can head right on in. It's that simple. Okay, let's bring it all home. To make sure you have the absolute best time, here's a final, super quick checklist that covers everything from the moment you decide to book to the moment you step on the dance floor. So let's recap the whole journey. It all starts when you choose your perfect class. Then you grab an active plan, which lets you pre-book your spot online. Remember, no walk-ins. Once you get that wonderful confirmation, all that's left to do is arrive a little early, and most importantly, get ready to have an amazing time. And there you have it. You've got all the info, you know the steps, and you know how easy it is. The dance floor is officially waiting for you. So the only real question left is, Which class are you going to book first? Go for it, and happy dancing!